Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything, Save Money. Today we've got another drill tutorial for you. This is the Pulituo, I think I'm pronouncing that right. The Pulituo cordless power drill. And you can see here it's got this cool little battery design that we'll go through with you in a second here. So I picked this up on Amazon. It was around like $22. And I got it strictly because I like this little battery design and I think it would be nice to fit into spaces where you normally wouldn't be able to get into. So yeah, we're gonna go through this, and then we're also gonna go through all these little things, these cool things that you get. So like I said, for like $22, you get a cordless drill, you get drill bits, you get driver bits, you get your little adapter, you get this flexible extension, and then they even give you drywall anchors and a few screws. So I mean, nothing crazy, but still for $20 or for $22, I think it's a really great deal. And like I said, this is a brushed tool. You can see when you turn it, there's a little spark right in here. So this is a brushed tool, which, they're generally on the cheaper side. But for your average everyday homeowner who's only going to use this a few times a year, I mean, you really can't go wrong for $20-some. It's just, a great deal. And then you get all this stuff. In comparison, my DeWalt brushless drill was around $200. It comes with nothing. I mean, it did come with the battery, but nowadays some of them are just tool only. They don't even come with the battery. This comes with the battery, comes with all this stuff. So I'll put a link on where you could pick this up. Like I said, if you're a homeowner, I highly recommend just picking up something like this, where you get all this extra stuff, just because, it's a great value. So we'll go through this real quick, and then we'll do a quick demonstration. So we'll first show you how to remove the battery. So you can see here, there's this little button here and here. We're just gonna press in on both of those at the same time and pull straight down. And it's a little tight, it's a little snug, but I'm assuming over time that will loosen up. And then to charge it, it comes with the charger. You would put the charger in there, and then the actual piece that goes onto the wall, there's a red light that goes on that then turns green when this battery is fully charged. There is no battery indicator light, so when the battery's out, you'll know it. The drill will stop, and then just throw it on charge, wait for the light to turn green, and you're fully charged. So then to reinstall it, you just put it in just like that, and then just push until you hear it click. Okay, so we have power to our drill. And then when we want to put it into forward, we're going to push that button in, and that's going to put the drill into forward. And then to put it in reverse, we're going to press this button in. That's going to put it in reverse. And then when we want to put it in safety mode, if you're transporting it or carrying it on your tool belt, you're just going to go ahead and push this button halfway between on and off. And that's going to lock the trigger to it, so you cannot turn it back on. So we'll just turn it on for now, put it in forward. Now going up the tool, this is a single speed. This looks like a button, but this does not do anything. But these are our torque settings. So 1 would be our lowest torque setting for driving in small fasteners, drilling through soft wood. If you're using a very small drill bit in soft wood, you could get away with these smaller torque settings. And then as you move up to the bigger fasteners, drilling through the harder wood types, you would increase the torque to 21. And then this is your highest torque setting. This would be, for drilling with large drill bits through hardwood, or, using deck screws, stuff like that. Okay. And then we have our keyless chuck. So you can see when we turn this piece this way, that's going to close the teeth on our keyless chuck. You could see them closing, and then we would rotate it this way to tighten. Okay, so let's put a drill bit in real quick and we'll show you. Okay, we'll just use the largest drill bit that they offer. Open this all the way, put it in, and then you just want to make sure that these teeth are clamped around evenly and your drill bit doesn't look like it's kind of, cockeyed. And then we're just going to tighten it down. And you could even hold this black outer ring right here and twist this to really secure it. Okay. And you can see when you pull the trigger, a nice little light comes on if you're working in dimly lit areas. Okay. And I also have videos up on how to set drywall anchors. I made a YouTube short on that, the correct way to set an anchor. So, you know, be sure to subscribe to the channel, check that out. I have a whole bunch of videos on tool and DIY stuff. So, all right, so we showed you everything on this drill as far as the features, how to use it. So now we'll go ahead and do a quick demonstration with a scrap 2x4 that I grabbed. Okay, so we're just going to be using our largest drill bit and we're going to be seeing how this works. So we're going to want to make sure the drill's in forward. We have our torque all the way up for this demonstration. Okay, so you can see I did have to apply a lot of force for this bigger drill bit. Let's try a smaller drill bit. So, you know, this drill is probably more for smaller tasks. You know, if you're going to be setting drywall anchors and stuff like that and you want to drill the hole, drilling pilot holes. Okay, so let's see with the smaller bit. Okay, so we're through. Now we'll put it in reverse. So it does work a lot better with, you know, smaller drill bit, obviously. And now we could even try setting a screw. And then we'll just use one of these. So we'll put in our extender, or our adapter. Put in our bit. And then we'll just try to set this little small screw. Okay, so you can see it set the screw no problem. So like I said, this is not going to be the type of drill you want to be using on a job site, or even if you're, you know, even if you use drills a lot, if you're just a homeowner, but you're going to be using it all the time, you know, this drill is probably not the one for you. But if you are, you know, your average everyday homeowner who's only using it for very small, simple tasks, you know, this is a great deal. It's only 20 bucks and you get all this stuff. This stuff alone right here is worth, you know, probably 20 bucks alone for bits and driver bits and, you know, anchors and screws and this flexible extension. So you would use this if you were in, you know, hard to reach spots. You could put a bit in here, put that on the end of this drill. So, you know, there's just a lot of uses with this. So yeah, like I said, I'll put a link in the description on where you can pick this up. And if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a like. Be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. And be sure to subscribe to the channel. Check the link in the description on where you can pick this up. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.